Good morning to everyone. Myself M. Fanindra, BA Second Year EPSCA from New Government Degree College, Khairtabad. Today I am going to talk about the President and some of the articles related to the President. As we all know that the President is the head of our states and the Indian Constitution. The first President of our India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad and the First Lady President of our India is Pratibha Patil. All through the Article 53 of Indian Constitution states that the President can exercise his or her powers directly or by subordinate authorities with few exceptions. And here are some of the articles related to the President. Article 52 states the President of India. Article 53 Executive powers of the Union. Article 54 Elections of President. Article 55 Manner of elections of President. Article 56 Term of office of President. Article 57 Eligibility of re-elections. Article 58 Qualifications for elections as President office. Article 59 Conditions of President office. Article 60 Oath of President. Article 61 Procedure for impeachment of President. Article 62 Time of holding elections to fill the vacancy of office of the President. You know all that the President have the two types of powers. First one is emergency powers and second one is general powers. The emergency powers are national emergency, state emergency and financial emergency. These are under the articles of 352, 356 and 360. The general powers are executive powers, legislative powers, financial powers, judicial powers, military powers and diplomatic powers. Here are some of the executive powers. The executive powers will deals with the President and President will appoint some of the officers. Article 71 Clause 1 President will appoint the CMs and council ministers. Article 124 Clause 1 Appointment of Chief Justice and other judges in the Supreme Court. Article 127 President will appoint Chief Justice and other judges in High Court. Article 148 President will appoint COG. Article 155 Appointment of governors for all state. Article 239 All administrations of union territories. Article 316 President will appoint the UPSC chairman and other members. Article 324 President will appoint chief election commissions and other members. Article 312 Appointment of Indian services. Article 280 Financial Commission. Article 263 is about Interstate Commission. Article 338 National SC Commission and Article 338 Clause A National ST Commission. Article 340 deals with National BC Commission. And here are some of our President who felicitated with Bharat Ratna Award. Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri and APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.